Which Grand Slam tournament is held on grass courts? A. Australian Open. B. French Open. C. Wimbledon. D. US Open. Answer: C. Wimbledon. Wimbledon is the only Grand Slam tournament played on grass courts. The Australian Open and US Open are played on hard courts, while the French Open is played on clay courts. Who holds the record for the most Grand Slam singles titles in men's tennis as of 2024? A. Roger Federer. B. Rafael Nadal. C. Novak Djokovic. D. Pete Sampras. Answer: C. Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic holds the record for the most Grand Slam singles titles among men, surpassing Roger Federer and Rafael Nadal. What is the term used when a player wins all 4 Grand Slam titles in a single calendar year? A. Golden Slam. B. Career Slam. C. Calendar Grand Slam. D. Triple Crown. Answer: C. Calendar Grand Slam. A calendar Grand Slam refers to winning all 4 Grand Slam titles in a single calendar year. The Golden Slam includes all 4 Grand Slams and the Olympic gold medal. Which female player is known for her Serena Slam, where she won 4 consecutive Grand Slam titles? A. Steffi Graf. B. Serena Williams. C. Martina Navratilova. D. Chris Evert. Answer: B. Serena Williams. Serena Williams achieved the Serena Slam by winning 4 consecutive Grand Slam titles from the 2002 Australian Open to the 2003 Australian Open. What is the maximum number of sets in a men's Grand Slam match? A. 3. B. 5. C. 7. D. 4. Answer: B. 5. Men's Grand Slam matches are played best of 5 sets, while women's matches and most other professional matches are played best of 3 sets. Which player is known for their powerful serve and has won the US Open multiple times? A. Rafael Nadal. B. Roger Federer. C. Andy Roddick. D. Novak Djokovic. Answer: C. Andy Roddick. Andy Roddick is renowned for his powerful serve and won the US Open in 2003. In tennis, what does the term love signify? A. Winning the game. B. 0 points. C. A tie in points. D. A type of serve. Answer: B. 0 points. In tennis, love is used to indicate a score of 0. For example, if the score is 15 love, it means one player has 15 points and the other has 0. Which country is the origin of tennis? A. France. B. England. C. Italy. D. Spain. Answer: B. England. Modern tennis originated in England in the late 19th century, evolving from a game called lawn tennis. Who won the gold medal in men's singles at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? A. Rafael Nadal. B. Novak Djokovic. C. Alexander Zverev. D. Roger Federer. Answer: C. Alexander Zverev. Alexander Zverev won the gold medal in men's singles at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Which tournament is known as the 5th Grand Slam, due to its prestigious status and large prize money? A. Davis Cup. B. ATP Finals. C. Indian Wells. D. Miami Open. Answer: C. Indian Wells. The Indian Wells tournament, also known as the BNP Paribas Open, is often referred to as the 5th Grand Slam because of its high status and prize money. What is the name of the prestigious end-of-year tournament for the top 8 male players? A. ATP World Tour Finals. B. US Open. C. Australian Open. D. Davis Cup. Answer: A. ATP World Tour Finals. The ATP World Tour Finals is held at the end of the year and features the top 8 male singles players and doubles teams. Which female tennis player has the most Grand Slam titles? A. Serena Williams. B. Steffi Graf. C. Martina Navratilova. D. Chris Evert. Answer: A. Serena Williams. Serena Williams holds the record for the most Grand Slam singles titles among women, surpassing Steffi Graf, Martina Navratilova, and Chris Evert. Which Grand Slam is known for its red clay surface? A. Australian Open. B. French Open. C. Wimbledon. D. US Open. Answer: B. French Open. The French Open, also known as Roland Garros, is played on a red clay surface. Which player won the most titles at the US Open in the 2010s decade? A. Roger Federer. B. Novak Djokovic. C. Rafael Nadal. D. Serena Williams. Answer: B. Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic won the most titles at the US Open during the 2010s decade. What is the term for a player who excels on all surfaces, grass, clay, and hard courts? A. Surface specialist. B. All-court player. C. Clay court specialist. D. Grass court specialist. Answer: B. All-court player. An all-court player is proficient on various surfaces, including grass, clay, and hard courts. Which Grand Slam tournament is held in January? A. Australian Open. B. Wimbledon. C. French Open. D. US Open. Answer: A. Australian Open. The Australian Open is held in January and is the first Grand Slam tournament of the year. Who is the only tennis player to achieve a career Grand Slam in both singles and doubles? A. Rod Laver. B. Serena Williams. C. Martina Navratilova. D. Steffi Graf. Answer: C. Martina Navratilova. Martina Navratilova achieved a career Grand Slam in both singles and doubles. Which player was known for his pirouette serve style? A. Pete Sampras. B. Boris Becker. C. Roger Federer. D. Andre Agassi. Answer: B. Boris Becker. Boris Becker was known for his distinctive pirouette serve, which became one of his signature moves. In which tournament would you find the Roger Federer suite? A. Wimbledon. B. US Open. C. Australian Open. D. Indian Wells. Answer: D. Indian Wells. The Roger Federer suite is named after the famous player and is located at the Indian Wells tournament. Which of these players is known for his exceptional performance on clay courts? A. Novak Djokovic. B. Roger Federer. C. Rafael Nadal. D. Andy Murray. Answer: C. Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal is renowned for his dominance on clay courts, earning him the nickname King of Clay.